Damn, what's up, YouTube? So today, got I got my first project whip. You know what I'm saying? I mean, my second, for real, for real. I got the Q right there, big body Q, take up 2 lanes. You know what I'm saying? I got this shit right here, F30, 335i. About to be the fastest 335i in the DMV. You know, y'all niggas can't fuck with me. You know, 335 right there. But you know, we got a problem. So I just got back from my trip. You know, and the car been sitting. I tried to start the car, but the gym ain't driving for. So I don't even know what's going on. So it said charge battery. So I got the little battery charger. I guess it should mean 29, 30 amps. I'm trying to check the voltage. It's 13 volts. I mean, I guess that should be alright. It's 67%. So I'm gonna just let it charge up. But you know, it got a little boo-boo right here. Got a little boo-boo right here. But all that's not that bad. That's not that bad, bro. I'm gonna build the fuck out of this. Got the M55 right here, you know. I'm learning my Beamer shit, so about to get on that. About to be the fastest F30. DMV, about to go stage 3 plus methanol injection, you know what I'm saying? But trying to get this shit charged up. I don't know. I think I need gas too, though. Cause I'm looking at the joint. Joint said I need some gas in it. So, look. That joint might need gas. So what I'm about to do is, I open the gas can on these things. I don't even know, bro. This Beamer shit is not for me. But oh, you just press that shit. Yeah. So I'm gonna definitely better go get some gas, cause that shit probably empty for cause this shit been sitting. But I'm gonna let the battery charge out though. But then, about to go to the gas station, get some gas. You know, I'm gonna tap back in when we get to the gas station, cause I don't know. This is kind of scaring me. It was starting. I took the e-brake off, and the bitch didn't want to start no more. It cut off, so it's charging though. So yeah. So yo, went to the gas station. 446 a gallon. You know, got the big body 93 for the big body F30. You know what I'm saying? They drum about 2 gallons though. I wonder if that's the average for which I'm not allowed, you know. Check out the crash. I don't know. Hopefully this drink start with 2 gallons. Now I gotta come back and put 2 more gallons. I might just keep coming back till I get a full tank. 2. Imagine. Let's go with this shit keep stopping. I need a full 2 gallons, bro. 2 gallons should give me like 60 miles in my tank. For real. It smell like gas. It's about to blow up. I don't know about for me, but gas smell pretty good though. That bitch smell pure. Oh shit. That's about 2 gallons though. We should be good right there, you know. $10 for 2 gallons. What does the world come to? Quarantine day, I would have got a full tank for $10, but you know, ain't none of my business though. Oh. Are we back? It's been like 5 minutes. What the battery at? 83%. 84. 83. I don't know. But you know, we gotta fill the gas up. Gotta put gas in this thing. I don't know why I would start like that. But then when I go to start it, she cut off. She don't like me or something. Beamer not for me or something. You know. I'm gonna do this one real quick. Gosh. Finally finished that 2 gallons of gas. Had to use a little oil drain because you know it won't go on without it. Spill gas all over the paint, but you know, I'm gonna do a little detail. It's all gonna be gone. Matt. Oh, but true, yeah, 87%. Not bad. I'm gonna check if there's anything to the fuel gauge though. If I got gas, I'm gonna put the battery starter into jump start mode. So it went up. It went up. We got gas in the system. So what we're gonna do is oh, why the battery just dropped to 79? Yo. Eddie, we're gonna put in engine start mode. I got 60 seconds to start this. I got 60 seconds to start the motor. 60 seconds. There you go. Oh, it started. It started. Let's go. Let's go. That joint was scaring me. Turn the music up, it don't get copyrighted though. That joint was OD scaring me. Like that joint go. But she ain't trying to start. But now she stopped that though. This battery jump, D-Walk. D-Walk. D-Walk lead this some magic right now, I ain't gonna lie. D-Walk. Y'all better tap into this D-Walk battery charger right here. Let me turn that off. D-Walk. Can't go wrong with the D-Walk. Even though I got some Milwaukee tools, but you know. Put this where it go. Close the hood. Cause that joint was scaring me, I ain't gonna lie. She really ain't trying to start. Charge the battery up, put some gas in her. She good to go. She good to go. Woo! AC blowing nice. I gotta adapt the headlight mount first. I gotta fix that headlight though. Okay. Parking sensor, parking assistance, please park on 8. So something wrong with the parking. We're gonna look at that. Oh. Okay. We'll take her around the block real quick. Oh. We'll take her around the block. Oh. I forgot I'm not low. Oh, that joint got heads-up display? Nah. Are my tires popped or something? It's like I don't got no control of the car. Nah, we gotta go back. Hold on. Oh yeah. Nah. It gotta go over there. I don't got no control of the car. Nah. Going back to the driveway. Not sure what's going on here. Driving weird. Yeah. That's not normal. That is very not normal. Oh. Yeah, no. I think my axle is broken. Cause look, yo, the car, the wheel's sideways, but going straight. Nah, that gotta get looked at. Nah, going right back into the driveway. Chassis stabilization. Yeah, cause I can't even control them. Oh yeah, nah. on part. Open the hood. Nah, that's weird. What is that? I don't got no control of the car. No control. I think the axle is shot. We're gonna have to jack it up and see. Cause I don't know. That joint started moving weird. The axles might be fried. But you know, I'm gonna jack it up, tap back in. Alright, y'all. I got the car jacked up, you know. So I'm looking at it right here. So look, I don't know what this part called though. I just hit on my mechanic, see what that junk called. You see, this thing right here. You see how like it look? Hold on, let me get a better angle. That joint like there, it go bent. It's like bent. It's supposed to be straight like this. It's supposed to go right here, like a straight connecting piece. And now this is the joint that control the steering. It did control the steering. So that's probably why the steering messed up, cause this joint right here is bent. So, cause look, I'm gonna show you the other side though. This is the right side. This is the right side where the accident happened at. And it's just kind of bent. Where you going? This side. Look at it. It's straight. See? It's straight. You don't got no kinks. You don't got no kinks or bends in it. So let me move the tire. Rotate the tire. See, look. See, look. It's straight. See how it's straight? And look how that's all jacked up and bent. So I'm guessing that's the issue. Whatever that is, I gotta find a name, cause I just hit my mechanic and see what he talking about. But for I can't do nothing next, cause I gotta get this replaced. I can't drive the car. I could probably just do the fender work, but I wanna make sure the car is driving good before I do all that extra stuff. So I'm gonna find out what that part called. You know, it's always something, but you know, they ain't look too bad of a fix. It just look like I replaced a part. But once I find out the part name, let me see if he texts me back. Oh, he just hit me back. It's the inner tie rod. Okay, I just told him it's bent. Oh, the inner tie rod. So I gotta order that piece. But other than that, I'm gonna do that, get that fixed. You know, get this fender fixed, bumper fixed, headlight fixed. Good to go. Then we can start bending. I want to do an M Sport conversion on this. M Sport swap, bumper, side skirts, all that goodness. Tune the car. But you know, we're gonna do it step by step. So, you know, this is probably it for this video though, cause I really can't do nothing else. But I'm gonna top it on the next video.